This is Abaca Fiber, and its manufacturing process is fascinating. Abaca is a natural fiber, known for its incredible strength, durability, and eco-friendly nature. The process begins in tropical plantations. Mature Abaca plants are carefully cut down by workers using sharp tools. Each stalk contains layers of fibrous sheaths. The outer layers are stripped to reveal long, silky fibers. This is done with machines called decorticators for faster production. These fibers are then washed thoroughly to remove dirt, sap, and impurities. Clean fibers ensure better quality and longer durability. After washing, the fibers are dried under the sun. This natural drying process enhances their strength and gives them a light golden color. Once dried, the fibers are sorted and graded based on color, texture, and quality. Only the best fibers move forward for premium products. The sorted fibers are compressed into bales for easy transport. These bundles are then shipped to factories around the world. Abaca fiber is used to make ropes, carpets, eco-friendly bags, and even high-quality paper. Its strength and sustainability make it valuable across many industries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.